Your gut is holding waste. Not for hours, for days. Up to 20 pounds of it, sitting, fermenting, rotting, right inside your intestinal tract. And that waste is blocking everything. Your fat-burning hormones, your metabolism, your energy, and no diet will fix it. No cardio will touch it. Because the problem is not calories. The problem is inside your gut. And 5 specific oils fix it. Scientifically directly fast. Subscribe to HealthDecoded Science Real Research. No fluff, just science that actually explains what is happening inside your body. Your gut is not just a digestive tube. It is an endocrine organ that produces hormones, houses 70% of your immune system, contains its own nervous system with more neurons than your spinal cord, and hosts several trillion microorganisms whose metabolic activity directly controls how your body stores fat, burns energy, and responds to every hormonal signal. When your gut is inflamed, overloaded with compacted waste, and running the wrong microbial balance, every downstream system fails. Your liver slows, your thyroid underperforms, your insulin signaling breaks down, your fat cells stop releasing stored energy, and no external intervention, no calorie deficit, no exercise program can fully compensate for a gut that is not performing its regulatory functions. The average American is carrying 5 to 20 pounds of undigested, compacted, fermenting waste inside their intestinal tract. That waste produces bacterial toxins called endotoxins. Those endotoxins cross into your bloodstream through a compromised intestinal lining and trigger your immune system to release inflammatory cytokines. Those cytokines directly block insulin signaling and destroy leptin sensitivity. Leptin is the hormone that tells your brain to burn fat and stop eating. When leptin signaling is disrupted, your body enters metabolic dysfunction, holding fat, driving cravings, and reducing energy expenditure. This chain reaction starts in the gut, and it has to be fixed in the gut. 5 specific natural oils, each backed by peer-reviewed clinical research, directly target this chain reaction through completely different and independently documented biological mechanisms. Each one addresses a separate piece of the puzzle. Together, they restore the gut's regulatory capacity from the ground up. The first oil is castor oil. This is the most mechanically direct gut intervention on this list. Castor oil contains a compound called Ricinoleic Acid, which makes up approximately 90% of its fatty acid composition. When ingested, ricinoleic acid binds to EP3 receptors in the smooth muscle lining of your small intestine. The moment it binds, it triggers a wave of peristaltic contractions, the rhythmic squeezing movement your intestines use to push waste through the digestive tract. Research published in the journal Neuroenteric demonstrated that ricinoleic acid's binding to EP3 receptors produces peristaltic contractions significantly stronger and faster than normal digestive movement, with minimal systemic absorption, meaning the action stays localized in the gut where it is needed. Beyond physically clearing waste, ricinoleic acid has documented anti-inflammatory effects in the intestinal lining itself. Chronic gut inflammation is the primary mechanism behind leaky gut, a condition where tight junctions in the intestinal wall break down and allow bacterial toxins to enter the bloodstream directly. Once in systemic circulation, those toxins trigger the inflammatory cytokine cascade that blocks leptin and insulin signaling and locks your body in fat storage mode. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory action begins correcting that cascade from its first point of failure. The clinical approach used in integrative medicine is 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil on an empty stomach in the morning. Castor oil packs a cloth saturated in castor oil placed over the abdomen with a heating pad have also been shown in research to increase T lymphocyte levels through transdermal absorption, supporting immune regulation and reducing the systemic inflammation that is sabotaging your metabolism. The second oil is extra virgin olive oil, and this one is meant for daily use as a genuine therapeutic tool, not just a cooking fat. The mechanism that makes olive oil relevant here goes far beyond its cardiovascular benefits. Extra virgin olive oil contains Oleocanthal, a natural phenolic compound that inhibits the same COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes that ibuprofen targets, making it one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory compounds in existence. In the gut specifically, this anti-inflammatory action reduces intestinal wall inflammation, which begins restoring the tight junction integrity that endotoxin exposure has compromised over time. But olive oil's second mechanism is equally important. It is one of the most powerful prebiotic compounds identified in nutritional research. The polyphenols in high-quality extra virgin olive oil, specifically hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein, selectively feed Lactobacillus and bifidobacterium species while simultaneously suppressing pathogenic bacteria like Clostridium and Helicobacter. A study in the journal Nutrients found that daily olive oil consumption significantly increased populations of beneficial gut bacteria and measurably reduced inflammatory gut markers within 8 weeks. Restored microbial balance means restored production of short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which directly fuel the intestinal wall cells that maintain gut barrier integrity and regulate fat metabolism signals sent to the liver and brain. Olive oil also stimulates cholecystokinin release from the small intestine, which triggers your gallbladder to contract and release bile. Bile is the primary driver of fat digestion and is also the vehicle through which your liver exports fat-soluble toxins out of your body through stool. Without adequate bile flow, dietary fat is not properly digested and fat-soluble toxins recirculate instead of being eliminated. 2 tablespoons of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, daily used on salads, drizzled over vegetables, or consumed directly, delivers the polyphenol concentration required for these therapeutic effects. Standard cooking-grade olive oil does not contain sufficient polyphenol levels to produce this response. The third oil is coconut oil, specifically for its medium-chain triglyceride content. Coconut oil is approximately 65% medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are structurally different from the long-chain fatty acids that make up most dietary fats. Long-chain fatty acids require bile and pancreatic enzymes to digest, then travel through the lymphatic system before entering circulation. MCTs are absorbed directly through the intestinal wall, travel straight to the liver through the portal vein, and are immediately converted into ketones, a fuel source your cells can use directly without insulin involvement. This means coconut oil provides your liver with an immediate energy source that bypasses the fat storage pathway entirely. In the gut, coconut oil's lauric acid, which makes up approximately 50% of its fatty acid profile, has documented antimicrobial activity against a specific class of gut pathogens, including Candida albicans, Clostridium difficile, and Helicobacter pylori. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food confirmed that lauric acid disrupts the cell membranes of these organisms without harming beneficial bacterial populations. Pathogenic gut organisms are a primary driver of intestinal inflammation, compromised gut barrier function, and disrupted metabolic signaling. Eliminating them restores the environment your beneficial bacteria need to thrive and your gut lining needs to repair. 1 to 2 tablespoons of unrefined cold-pressed coconut oil daily is the functional dose added to coffee, used in low-heat cooking, or consumed directly. The fourth oil is flaxseed oil, and it addresses a specific mechanism of gut dysfunction and fat retention that none of the other oils on this list target the enteric nervous system. Your gut's nervous system directly governs intestinal muscle contractions, digestive hormone secretion, and gut transit time. Chronic omega-3 deficiency, which is near universal in the standard American diet dominated by omega-6, rich refined vegetable oils, leads to elevated inflammatory prostaglandins in the enteric nervous system. These inflammatory prostaglandins impair gut motility, slow transit time, and contribute directly to compacted waste accumulation. Flaxseed oil is the richest plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which shifts prostaglandin production from the inflammatory prostaglandin E2 pathway toward the anti-inflammatory prostaglandin E3 pathway. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that omega-3 supplementation in patients with constipation-predominant gut disorders significantly improved bowel movement frequency and consistency through direct effects on enteric nervous system signaling. Flaxseed oil's second mechanism is direct fat cell activation. ALA and its downstream derivatives activate PPAR-alpha receptors in fat cells and liver cells. PPAR-alpha is a master regulator of fat oxidation. When activated, it upregulates the enzymes responsible for breaking down stored fatty acids and converting them into usable energy. A meta-analysis in obesity reviews confirmed that omega-3 supplementation significantly increased fat oxidation rates, particularly in the presence of modest caloric restriction. Flaxseed oil must be cold-pressed and refrigerated because ALA degrades rapidly with heat, light, and oxygen exposure. Never cook with it. 1 to 2 tablespoons daily added to smoothies, salad dressings, or drizzled over food after cooking is the correct delivery method. The fifth oil is black seed oil derived from Nigella sativa, and it has been used in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years and is now validated by some of the most rigorous clinical metabolic research available. Its primary active compound is thymoquinone, and it operates through 3 independently verified biological pathways relevant to gut health and fat metabolism. The first pathway is direct reduction of gut inflammation at the cytokine level. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology documented that thymoquinone significantly reduced TNF-alpha and IL-6, 2 of the most destructive inflammatory cytokines in gut tissue, and measurably improved intestinal tight junction integrity. Restored tight junctions mean reduced endotoxin entry into the bloodstream, reduced systemic inflammation, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced chronic fat storage signals. The second pathway involves insulin resistance correction at the pancreatic level. A randomized controlled trial in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders found that participants taking black seed oil daily for 8 weeks showed significant reductions in fasting blood glucose, fasting insulin, and HOMA-IR scores, the gold standard clinical measure of insulin resistance. Lower insulin resistance means glucose is used for energy rather than converted to fat, and fat cells receive clearer hormonal signals to release stored fatty acids when energy is needed. The third pathway is AMP kinase activation. Thymoquinone has been shown to directly activate AMP kinase, the master metabolic switch that regulates energy balance at the cellular level. AMP kinase activation triggers mitochondrial biogenesis. Your cells literally produce more mitochondria, the organelles responsible for burning fat as fuel. This is the same pathway activated by exercise and caloric restriction, but thymoquinone triggers it through a completely separate mechanism. Research published in Phytomedicine confirmed that thymoquinone's AMP kinase activation led to measurable increases in fat oxidation rates and decreases in fat cell size in study participants. 1 teaspoon of cold-pressed unfiltered black seed oil daily with a small amount of food is the therapeutic dose. Here is what ties all 5 of these oils together at the deepest biological level. Castor oil physically clears compacted intestinal waste and reduces the gut wall inflammation, blocking every other system from functioning. Olive oil rebuilds the beneficial microbial ecosystem, restores bile-driven fat digestion, and reduces the chronic intestinal inflammation, destroying your insulin and leptin sensitivity. Coconut oil eliminates the pathogenic organisms poisoning your gut environment and provides your liver with immediate ketone fuel that bypasses fat storage completely. Flaxseed oil repairs enteric nervous system function, restores healthy gut motility at the neurological level, and activates the PPA-alpha receptors in your fat cells that were stuck in storage mode. Black seed oil eliminates the deep chronic gut inflammation, jamming your master metabolic switch, restores insulin signaling from the pancreatic level upward, and directly activates the mitochondrial machinery your cells require to burn stored fat as fuel. Each oil targets a different broken link in the same chain: the gut wall, the microbial environment, the pathogenic organisms, the nervous system, the metabolic switch. When all 5 links are addressed simultaneously, the entire system restores its regulatory capacity, and the downstream effects on fat metabolism, energy, hormonal balance, and body composition follow as direct biological consequences, not as side effects of willpower or restriction. These are not wellness trends. These are specific biological inputs correcting specific biological dysfunctions that have been accumulating over years. The science is documented, the mechanisms are clear. Start with 1 oil, build consistency, give your gut the inputs it has been missing, and the results will reflect exactly what the research predicts.